Hello everyone, today we're comparing two very different tools, Ryne AI, an AI content assistant and humanizer, and Turnitin, the industry standard for checking academic writing. Which one actually helps you the most? Let's break it down. So Ryne AI is built around AI-powered writing generation and humanization. It can write AI text to sound more natural and avoid detection by AI detectors like Turnitin's AI checker. According to its claims, it has deep semantic rewriting so text feels human and less machine-like, with tools like Essay Composer and AI Report for plagiarism risk. User report mixed effectiveness. Some say it helps reduce AI flags, while others find output still gets noticed or awkward to read. Some of its pros: it generates and humanizes content that may read more naturally, built-in rewriting, and multiple AI models for flexibility. However, claims about bypassing detection are controversial and not foolproof in real academic settings. Mixed reviews on quality and accuracy. Turnitin is a trusted plagiarism and originality service used by thousands of schools and universities worldwide. It compares your text against an enormous database of internet content, journals, and past student papers to flag similarity and possible plagiarism, and now includes AI writing detection to highlight likely machine-generated text. Some of its pros: industry standard plagiarism and similarity reports trusted by educators, and integrated AI writing detection that flags machine-generated text patterns. However, it doesn't generate content, it checks content. AI detectors can still show false positives and should be interpreted with human judgment. The final verdict: choose Turnitin if your priority is legitimate, trusted plagiarism and originality checking, used by institutions worldwide to check academic integrity and catch copied or problematic content. Choose Ryne AI if you want an AI writing and humanization assistant that helps craft and refine draft content, especially if you focus on creative writing or improving the style of AI-generated text. But be cautious about using it to intentionally bypass academic detection. The bottom line: Turnitin for official integrity checking and Ryne AI for AI content creation and rewriting support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.